please feel free to download this file. You can find the link below. All of the layers are linked. They're all created via the layer and duplicate linked. So change one, you change them all. Now, not every property is linked, so there's scale and rotation. Now, if you change the colour, all the colours will change. Select one of the characters and change the colour there, and they will all change across the image. You can change the font. You can change font size, but that's a relative effect. So I'm just going to leave it as is. You can go down to the FX at the bottom of the layers panel, maybe add a Gaussian blur or a shadow or 3D. You can go to the character panel and you can also change other things like decoration. So just go here, click there and change the width. You can also go to the pressure and that will change for all the characters. You can also change other settings such as the slant and so on and so on. You can run through all of the settings here. You can also turn it bold or not, or underline. You can also go to the text tool and change the words. So you think, oh, mix, I meant max. And they all become max. Of course, you can also add additional words. But obviously if you add it, it ends up a bit of a mess. But you can always still change the design, move these around, select individual ones and change them. And much, much more. And there's probably loads more features you can do with this text feature. So what do you think about this? Is this a useful technique? If you want to create a very crazy sort of weird layout design, all that's completely editable at any point. Well, how will you use this? Please add some comments, always appreciated. Also, a dislike or like, always nice as well. Thank you much.